How to fulfill orders on Shopify with Zendrop. Shopify Dropshipping 2023. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. If you're running a Shopify dropshipping business, you know that order fulfillment can be time-consuming and a complicated process. That's where Zendrop comes in, a powerful order fulfillment platform that can help streamline your Shopify store's fulfillment process and save you time and money. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use Zendrop to fulfill orders on Shopify, step by step. We'll cover everything from setting up your Zendrop account and connecting it to your Shopify store, to importing products, placing orders, and tracking shipping. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how to use Zendrop to fulfill orders on your Shopify store and how it can help you scale your dropshipping business. So, let's dive right in and get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is, of course, go to our Shopify store. You're going to create your account or login and start setting up your online store. Now, over here right now, I am currently on the home page. What we're going to do next is we're going to add an app. To add an app, you're going to look over here on the left side. We have this section over here. We have a sales channel and an app section. You're simply going to click on Add Apps over here. Now, by clicking this, you would be able to see different applications that are created for Shopify. It will show you apps that other merchants add first, and it will also show you apps that your business might need, depending on what type of business your Shopify store is made for. There's also applications made by Shopify over here. As you can see, we can see the application for Zendrop over here. Now, to see the application created for Shopify, which is a Zendrop application, you're going to have to click on Shopify App Store over here on the bottom, and you're going to click on Open Link in another tab, and we're going to be redirected to this page over here. And now over here, we are successfully redirected to the App Store of Shopify. This is where you will be able to find all the different apps created just for Shopify. Applications that are specially built and designed to help users of Shopify to have a better experience and help deal with other things as well. As you can see here, we have Zendrop Global Dropshipping available on this section over here. If you don't see the Zendrop application on this section, you're simply going to click on the search bar on the top, and you're simply going to search Zendrop. Click on Enter, and you would be able to see results that are closest with the name Zendrop. And as you can see here, we have our application over here. We're simply going to click this. And over here, we're going to click on Add App. And as you can see, we have a free plan available, 7-day free trial, and additional charges may apply. Now, after clicking that, you would be redirected to this section where we're going to be authorizing the installation of our Zendrop Global Dropshipping application. We're going to click on Install App. After doing that, we're going to wait for a few seconds. And after doing that, we would be redirected to app.zendrop.com. We are redirected from our Shopify store. And now over here, we're going to have to set up our account. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our password, confirm our password, and then enter our number over here. And after filling up those information, you can now access Zendrop over here. Now, we're going to give you a quick tour of Zendrop. As you can see here on the left side, we have our dashboard. By clicking this, we would be redirected to the dashboard where you will be able to see your fulfilled orders over here, like the sales and cost. You can see overview like orders, sales, and cost once again, and then your profit. And you can also see your orders to fulfill on the bottom right. Now, another thing you could check out is to find products over here. Same like with other dropshipping business, you could select products that you would like to sell on your Shopify and simply add to import list. And in the import list over here, this is where you will be able to see all the different products that you have imported. And on the imported products, you would be able to monitor imported products to your Shopify store from Zendrop. You could also check out your quotes, your orders over here. You could see your branding, bundles and boxes, AliExpress import if you would like to import products from AliExpress. You can also check out the trendy products over here by clicking this, but we would need to upgrade our plan to access this feature. As you can see, the features that would be available if we upgrade our plan are unlimited orders per month, product bundles, automated fulfillment, US products, custom branding, Zendrop Academy, trendy products, and $100 order credit. Now, as you can see here, we have automated fulfillment as a part of an upgraded plan. So you wouldn't be able to use the automated feature of Zendrop. You would need to manually add and fulfill your orders through Shopify or your Zendrop account. Now, scrolling down, you could also see that warehouse would be available soon, like your inventory and the print-on-demand sections over here. Now, first we're going to find products that we would like to import. So I'm going to click this. And over here, we have our different products. You're simply going to select the product that you would like to import. For example, this one over here, a wireless Bluetooth. And now over here on this section, we would be able to see information about our product, like the description, the title, the product cost, the different variation, like SKU, color, product cost, shipping from where, as you can see here, or shipping to. You could see also the total amount of price over here. The average shipping time is 15 days. You could see photos of the different variants over here. Now, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on Add to Import List, just like this. And as you can see, it is now part of our imported list. And now in this section, we would be able to see information about our imported product. Like over here, we could change the product name if you would like to make some adjustment. We could add a product type. Select the collection over here from the different options. You could click on description. You would be able to edit the description of your product. You could click on variants over here. Like you could see the different variants available for the specific variants. And you could also edit the image over here. You could click on more action. And you could select a product to override or remove this product from your import list. After dealing with the information you would like to change over here, you're simply going to click on Import to Store. After that, as you can see here, inventory. This product will show 50,000 units in your inventory in your store. This is just a placeholder since we do not have a real-time inventory from the factories we buy products from. You could also see that the production cycle delays. When you start selling your first product, it might take longer than normal, and this is normal, and it would not happen once you start selling it regularly. Now, you're simply going to click on confirm over here, and you're going to wait. And as you can see, our product is successfully imported to our Shopify store. You can also check out your imported product over here on the imported products. Now go right here on our Shopify store, you can click on products. And as you can see, we have our imported products over here. You can also edit information on Shopify itself. As you can see, you can edit the title, the description, the status over here. You choose which store it is going to be published, the markets, just like that, the media over here, product category, your variants once again, and all of those information. Now, when someone orders your product, you could also check it out on your order section over here. It will appear in this section and in this section as well on your orders. It will appear on both, and you could choose from either two options from Shopify or Zendrop on which platform you would like to handle your orders. As you can see here, you could check out your orders fulfilled, the branding, and the auto fulfillment over here. Now, if you would like to check how your product would look like on your store, we could check it out on the online store. We're going to wait for it a bit, and we're going to click on the three dots and preview. And as you can see here, our product is now uploaded to our store. You could click this, and you would be able to see information about our product like it would do on a normal store. Now, you can simply find other products that you would like to add. You simply choose whatever product you maybe do clothing or any type. And just like what we did earlier, you would find it on your import list and then imported product and then into your store. And over here, when someone buys your product, this is where you will be able to handle it. Same thing with your order section over here. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.